This is a U.S. General lock from Harbor Freight. These junk locks have been giving me trouble lately, especially this one. Try to get into it. 50 thousandths covert instruments, and then the number 4 from the Reaper set. Three, 4, 5. I dropped everything. 1, 2, 3. I overset something. Yeah, I overset the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, and it's open. But that is the U.S. General round body lock from Harbor Freight. It's just one of those ones that it's so bad it actually works in its favor.